strength should be mobilized to defeat BJP in the center and all the states. In Assam also, we fought like that. In Bengal, in all other states, we are concentrating against BJP. So Manipur, the election is coming closer. So in Manipur election also, our slogan will be to defeat BJP. So we have called upon all the opposition parties who are opposing BJP that there should be an all-proof unity against BJP. There should be an united opposition so that this BJP government can be defeated. You see, this government, Manipur government, it is now well published that is one of the most corrupt government in the history of Manipur. So CPM as a political party, you know, we have limited strength, but we have a face which is totally uncorrupt. We are against corruption and we do not have any taint of corruption. So to fight corruption, the left forces should be strengthened in Manipur. So we appeal to the people of Manipur to fight this corrupt government, Manipur government. The left forces should be strengthened by the people. So against this corrupt government, this communal government, this anti-poor government, and this authoritarian government, in the next election, our target will be to defeat BJP and to install a secular government again in Manipur and to strengthen the left forces. So for election, we are also preparing. So the other parts, our state secretary, newly elected secretary, re-elected secretary, Comrade Santa will brief.